Hey guys, I'm so excited to tell you about today's video. I want to throw a party! Yeah! I found a website that I know you're going to love, where you can make $34 an hour and there's a $300 sign-up bonus. Yay! Now, also, I didn't put this on the thumbnail or the title because I hate it when people do videos and then they'll say like $700 sign-on bonus, and really then you get into the video and it's not. It's something else that you get in and you have to do or click on to get the extra money. So, I do have something else that I'm going to tell you about to make an extra $400 on this exact same website. So you're going to want to stay with me for that bonus. And then if you stay to the end, I have a second bonus where you can even take it a step farther and make even more money. For real. You know what's also perfect about this website? They hire all the time. So you could keep going back to this website and checking it for jobs. And most of them are remote jobs. So, I mean, who doesn't want to work from home, right? And there's a bunch of jobs that I see that's like you could work from home or you can work in your city. Okay, you know deep down you're thinking, I don't work at no go in job. I want to work from home. So that's what I'm here for. And you don't have to be an expert. Nope. You don't have to be one of these, have a degree at this and I have to be an expert at that. But most of the jobs are like customer service and sales, so they're pretty easy. That pays decent. But let me tell you that right up in the beginning, because I hate it when I get to the end of this video and I'm like, this video was not for me. So if that's for you, you probably want to watch some of my other videos because I have all kinds of stuff about making money online, which reminds me, that's what I teach. So if you aren't subscribed to this channel, do me a favor and do yourself a favor and subscribe. And do you know what happens if you ring that notification bell? And by the way, it's free. You ring that notification bell and every time I have a new video, boom, you get a notification and then you get to watch it and learn all kinds of stuff about making money online and affiliate marketing. Cool, right? Now let's get into the video and show you how to make some money. Let's go. Hey guys, I found something so cool that's on the site I want to show you. Now, oh, and if you think that I'm like an affiliate for the site, I'm not. I just found it and think it's awesome, so there's nothing for me to gain, okay? But check this out, work from home hacks. And even if you're not signed up, then you still have access to this. And so see, even if you don't sign up, there's some stuff that you can learn here. It's pretty cool. Free resources for work at home pros. And I read this. This is so cool. Successful remote workers develop efficient skills to be productive. They include being able to focus, time management, and maintain a quiet place to work. If you're ready to work from home, there's lots of support to help you make it happen. And it has some stuff. This is cool. Work at home tips and tricks. It's designed to maximize your performance as a work at home independent contractor. So if you're working from home, and even if you don't do this, it's kind of cool stuff. They give you advice on productivity, organization, work from home exercises to stay in shape. It's kind of cool. So I want to show it to you. Work at home post, legit, basically work from home opportunities and avoid scams, how to find home-based work with flexible hours. So it has some stuff. I thought this was really cool. Quick work at home workouts. Flexible work makes transitions easier. I just thought this was cool. How to show it to you. Now the actual site is called Working Solutions. So if you just go to workingsolutions.com, and it's awesome. And you need to check in here. Even if you don't see any jobs right now, it's one of those sites that you can continue to check back at. So from here, oh my gosh, they have all kinds of cool stuff. But if you go to work at home, earn an additional $300. As soon as you sign on, you do have to be on for 30 days, but you get $300 just for signing in. And then right now they have, like I was saying, there's customer service and sales. Self-motivated individuals to join our team of agents working from their homes located across the United States and Canada. On that note, I do try really, really hard. So I wanted to show you this to get as many places where people live. So I'll have people comment on my videos and it helps me. So do me a favor, comment where you live in my comments and it helps me find these jobs. So on this one, are located across the United States and Canada. Now there is some that says it's beyond that, but that's the majority. So it helps to comment down below and just let me know. It helps me with the videos. Okay, customer support specialist. Donna. Why working solutions, corner support, blah, 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 blah. Here we go. Okay, please allocate. You're going to have to have at least 45 minutes to complete the application. So just so you know that up front. The schedule's flexible, Monday through Friday, available anytime between 7 a.m. and 2 a.m. Central. And this one here is up to $12.60 per productive hour. This one pays the least, so that's why I was starting with it. Customer service experience, friendly, don't be mean and ugly. Self-communication. Basically, you need also strong communication. You have to be a self-motivated person. So to be able to work from home, work on your own, you don't need someone to constantly telling you what to do. Tech savvy, avid computer user. They want you to already know how to use a computer. If you don't know how to use a computer, again, off of this video, but I have plenty on my channel that you're going to love. I'll go ahead and put another one that I think is really good for you up here. That doesn't need computer savvy stuff. I like to try to help. Personal computer, no tablet. So you have to have your own laptop or computer, your internet, prefer probably Windows 10 operating system, your own antivirus software, a USB headset. Now, if you're thinking, oh no, stop, freeze. Okay, everybody has access to Amazon. So boom, here you go. I looked for headsets. So this one's $19, $16, $19. You can get a high fancy dollar one, but you don't need to. $21. It's kind of pretty because it's pink. $39, $39, $34, $29, $19. Here's $15, $86. So you could get, there was $15, $16, $18. You can get them pretty cheap, or you could just run down. I don't know if y'all have Walmart where you live, Walmart, or a little store down your street or whatever. So it's going to be easy. Don't freak out of that part, okay? Your work environment needs to be, quiet, uninterrupted, so you don't have people coming in and out of your door all the time, or a whole bunch of kids coming in, mama. I don't want that. Professional appearance, if on camera, so it could be, hey, you know what? You can be dressed from here on up, and if you're working from home, down, you can have on pajamas. Okay, before we look at the next one, do me a favor. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, because it actually helps me in my video, and I appreciate it. Okay, we're going to go to the next one, but you're also probably wondering, Shelly, that last one, it wasn't $34. I'm going to tell you how you get the $34. And I have not forgotten about the extra $400. All right, senior living customer care. Okay, why work from here? I like that. Join our woohoo crew as an independent contractor. Enjoy flexibility, amazing balance to work and home life. Choose the clients you wish to represent in your work schedule, and benefit from running your own business in your comfort of your own home. Here we go. Join us as a senior living customer care associate. You'll be placed outbound calls to family members who have recently inquired online regarding placement services, matching them with appropriate online tools or a senior living advisor. Listening to the needs of the recipient or family members is most important. The required skills: excellent verbal and written communications, top-notch customer service skills, while guiding callers to the right solutions for their specific needs. At least 1 year's experience in a high-volume customer service role. Basically, you've done some kind of customer service, and it doesn't have to be anything exactly like this. Customer service, it could be all kinds of things, so don't freak out there either. Be familiar with operating systems, so basically a computer. Ability to install and uninstall applications and download products and applications. So basically, if you have a program, you know how to install it. Say they send it to you, you double click on it, it installs. You know what I'm saying? Ability to function in a multi-system Microsoft environment. So basically, you need to know, Office, Outlook, how to use the internet. An experience in senior care industry preferred, or a strong desire to learn about senior care. So you can just tell them that you're just really interested in it. Now this one pays $17 an hour. Required the USB headset. Told you how to get that. Internet, an up-to-date computer. And you can click here for more stuff. Let's look at the next one. Educational sales consultant. Sales. I like sales. Oh, right. Identity and solve problems, as well as answer questions and provide a consultative sales approach. Shelly can't talk. Regarding various options to guide callers to the right educational solutions for their students' needs. Now, I read through these. This isn't that bad. At least 1 to 2 years of experience in high-volume customer service roles, such as a call center, retail, or similar environment. I did customer service too when I first was in the whole IT world, so I could say that, and that would count too. Familiarity with operating systems, including, familiar with the computer, practicing excellent verbal or written communications, high value of the need for education experience as an educator, teacher, tutor, learning center is a plus. Basically, you want to be able to care, to teach, and to help others. If not, it's not your thing. And this one pays $17 an hour. USB, high-speed internet, up-to-date computer, Windows, minimum download speed, and the minimum of 8 gigs of RAM. That's memory. Now, if you're still wondering how you're going to get the $34 an hour. Now, what they want you to do in Working Solutions is they want you to pick 2 sites, because a lot of them can be, part-time or separate your hours and stuff. So it'd be easy to do 2. And so if you take 2 of the 17-hour jobs, then that's going to give you $34 an hour. So you could do, and they want you to do this. So where a lot of sites is like, they don't want you to do nothing like that. That way, boom, $34 an hour. And you get the $300 sign-up bonus. Now, are you ready to find out about the $400? Let's find out. Like if you're loving this. Okay, now to get you $400 more to add to your 3, which would be $700 and your $34 an hour. So check this out. I've never seen anything like this. Once an active agent, earn $400 each time you refer a friend who begins working with Working Solutions. I have never seen a refer program to refer a friend and give you $400. Yeah. And guess what? I'm going to make it easy for you too, because this isn't what I do. I just happened to find this site and thought it was awesome. It's going to help tons of people. So if you do happen to sign up for Working Solutions, then feel free to put in the comments, hey, and then so you can help them out or give them any tips. And you can put in the comments to use your link for Working Solutions. I don't mind. I don't care. So that way it helps you out, because I don't have a link. Isn't that kind of cool? And then you'll get your $400. But that's what I would do. I would just kind of say, hey, just sign up underneath me, and it'll help both of us out, because then you could give them you would already be signed in, so you could give them some tips and stuff. This is so cool. I so love this site. Keep checking at it. But you know what? When it comes down to it, it's still working for someone else. You're using your time for money. And what I do is completely different. I have my own business. I do what I want to do on my own time, and I make passive income. If you want to be able to work anywhere you want, you could be on a beach, on vacation. You could be anywhere like Alaska. I don't know. And have your laptop and be able to work there. You would literally be able to have time freedom. You'd be able to take a vacation, sit back and relax, and not have to check with any boss. And while you're doing that, still have money coming in. This is what I do. And if you're willing to do hard work, because there is no such thing as let me push a button and make money. But if you're willing to put in the work and you're willing to change your life, because that's what it is. It's a whole life change. It'll get you out of your 9 to 5. You'll be working for yourself if that's what you want. If that's what you want, then you're going to want the first link in the bio, because I know if it helped me, I know it can help you. And you also have me to help you as well. So that's the first link in the bio. Hey, if you liked this video, did you like it? Did you subscribe? I hope so. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put another video that will be up next. So go ahead, watch that video, and I'm in it. So I'll see you there.